Well, this is a bit of a rare one. Very lucky to get this. These don't come up on eBay very often. This is a Castle Products Model B horizontal steam engine. These were made in the mid-1950s in London, and that is about all I know about them. And it seems to be about all anyone knows about them. I don't know whether there were any more models. I've only ever seen pictures of this one. One guy did have one which came with a box which had a label on it, so that's how we were able to ascertain where they were made. But yeah, it's this one's not in bad nick. I mean, the firebox is pretty rough, but the base is good. This is the original paint, definitely. It's had a repair to the where the safety valve goes in. That's not been done very well, but that can be cleaned up. But what I do like about this one, I was very lucky with this one, it does actually have the burner, and I'm fairly certain that that is the original burner. So yeah, so we'll give this one a bit of a clean up. I might repaint the firebox. I think that's probably worthwhile doing. But other than that, I think I'll probably just give it a clean and leave it alone. It should have a little pulley on this end here that's missing, but I think they were basically Meccano, the pulleys anyway. So we should be able to find one that will fit on there. Well, done some work on the Castle Products Model B. When engines are in as good a condition as this one was, it's you have to make a decision about how much you're going to do. And I've repainted the burner and the firebox. They were both in quite poorly in condition, but the base paint is in reasonably good condition. It's a bit grubby. I've given it a scrub up. And the only place it's really bad is actually inside the firebox. Now, it would be difficult for me to recreate this paint finish anyway. So I decided to leave the original base paint as it is, and also the original paint on the engine frame, because that also is not too bad. Everything else has been given a polish up. I've reduced considerably the amount of solder that was around the safety valve where it had been repaired, and it's looking very nice. So basically, all that we've got left to do is to make the pulley, which would fit here. Now, it's very similar to a Meccano pulley. So you're looking at something that looks a bit like that, basically, but it's not actually a Meccano pulley. It's been machined up. So we're going to machine one up out of a bit of brass, like this. Fairly simple, straightforward machining job, but there've been a few comments in the on some of the other videos saying that the people would like to see more of the machining. So it's a simple job, but we'll do that. Now, I've mic'd the shaft up, and it's 0.125 of an inch, which is 1/8, so that makes drilling the hole through the middle quite nice and easy. Looking at pictures I've seen of these online, the pulley boss is very similar to the boss on the flywheel, and it's not quite the same diameter, same depth, but slightly smaller diameter, so that makes it nice and easy. And as I said, it looks basically like a Meccano pulley, so we've got a model to make it to there. So right, let's crack on with that.